Look at the weirdo.
I'm rarely getting hit from the hell. You're stupid!
So you're gonna spin her? Oh my god.
That's Shelby.
Keep on spinning. Keep on spinning.
We'll just film a whole bunch of crap and then I'll edit it.
Wish GPU's here. It'd be better.
JPU.
Holy moly!
GPU looks
So, this is our very first video.
Yes.
Maybe on this we can do
Oh,
a
what
better
are you
one.
talking to me? So, blah, 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 blah. Like those fucking talk shows, like, who seriously is gonna follow you while you're walking? Like, nobody gives a shit what you have to say, so like, shut up.
Let's walk and talk. Come on.
Oh my god, we saw
Come on.
Oh, I get it.
I get it.
Come on.
Do I have to walk?
Like, that's my best friend, Kirk, right there. No, he doesn't know it yet, but we're best friends.
Oh.
Stand in the rain.
Holy shit.
It's raining, man. Hallelujah.
Can't really see it. Oh, I can.
Today was a good day to wear white.
Wet t-shirt contest!
Okay, wait, I'm gonna stop it. Say bye, Fast Grind.